There has been some amazing growth on the Toronto Stock Exchange in 2022 already, and we're just in the first quarter. The Toronto Stock Exchange is up compared to the S&P 500, which from what I've heard and what I read, that rarely ever happens. So yay, Canada. And hopefully yay you and yay me, because when I look at my portfolio, it's up too, which I'm going to go into that. I'm going to show you how I'm doing right now, what dividends came to me in the month of March, and let's get going. I need a better catchphrase. Hey, my name's Steve Coleman. I am a dividend stock investor using Wealthsimple Trade as my brokerage of choice because it is a zero commission platform when you're investing stocks on the Toronto Stock Exchange, which I had said in the opening is doing very, very well right now. So I put $150 every week and putting it into my tax-free savings accounts. That way any money earned in there, specifically dividends, are tax-free, and that way I can use it and reinvest it without having the government kind of sneak in there and take their little cut. So it is a great vehicle for growing your savings, which is exactly what I have been doing. So I know I want to be at $20,000 by the end of the year. So what I did was I divided that by 12 and determined how much I should have saved up by the end of each month. So for the month of March, to make sure that I'm on target, I should have $12,500 invested. And I'm happy to say I'm currently up 2% over that target at $12,736.95, which counts. That always counts. So now let's take a quick look and see how my tax-free savings account is performing overall. So here we are. It is currently, right now, in all time, we're a few days into April, it is at $12,806. Am I on target? I'm not breaking that up by the day. Doesn't matter. But I am up 10.6%. The last few weeks, this has been hovering around 10 to 12%. So yay, like that, really like that. For the year, we're at 9.85%. For 3 months, we are up 6.4%, up $770. 1 month, 2.2%. 1 week, oh, this is where we start to see a little bit of volatility in the market. I'm down negative 9%. And for the previous day, down negative 0.26%, just $33. You know, March was great. April, come on, April, let's get going here. So now let's take a look at the dividends I was paid in the month of March. Before I start though, I think it's important to point out that there were quite a few different companies that paid an increase to their dividends, which is another reason why I love investing in dividend stocks. And another reason why it's very, very important to do your research and look at what companies are paying dividends on a regular basis, as well as which dividend companies are increasing their dividends over time as well, because you are not going to be disappointed by looking at your portfolio and seeing, hey, you know, RioCan is now paying me $3.40, where the previous time I was getting paid $2.80. What happened there? Well, they increased their dividend. There's been a few. Pizza was another one that increased their dividend, where I'm buying some pizza every time. So right now, this month I got $4.88, where previous time it was $4.50. Same amount of stocks, dividend increase. I think it was by like half a cent, which we will take it. So nice increase. Just reinvest that money faster into other positions. So continue with the list, because then we've got like 3 in a row that are above $10. So these ones are first 2 monthly. These 3 obviously are more quarterly paying stocks. With Manulife MFC, it is for $10.56. Then we have Brookfield Renewable Inc., BEP.UN, for almost $11. It is $10.97. Chorus Entertainment, CJR.B, another nice $10 one, $10.32, followed by Diversity Royalty Corp for $4.03. This again is a monthly paying stock, and this is a company I throw a bunch of loose change at. They play a very, very nice yield. I think it's right now around the 6 to 7%. depending on the stock price. So it's a good one to check out. Here's a quick look at the dividend payments that I've received over the last 4 months. And definitely March is the second highest in that period. I expect, if the trends follow, April will be another big month. So I basically have 2 good months and then 1 bad month, although none of it's bad because you're getting paid dividends. Just the other 2 are above average and one's 2 above average, 1 below average. All averages out, right? So I think right now, averages out to basically almost $45 a month, which is great. And we should talk about, other ideas of what we can do with those dividends. So stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe. Don't forget, helps me out. Thank you. It's free. Like and subscribe. We're going to wrap it up there. Let me know in the comments, how did you do this past quarter? Really like to know. I hope everyone else is doing as well as I. Well, 2% increase, I think that's good. Are you doing better? Are you doing worse? Let's talk about it. Thanks as always for joining me. Keep it in the green, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Oh, and hit the like button.